Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Assume we are given a cubic equations having a radical number at the right hand side, required to find all the three solutions without guessing anything. So this is a step-to-step on how to solve this. Stay tuned and let's solve this in a very simple way. The question is x cubed minus x equals root 2. Let's provide a very simple solution to this. From the given questions, we have x cubed minus x. Taking this root 2 to this side, we have minus root 2 equals 0. And since we are not guessing anything, we can try to rewrite this minus x as minus 2x plus x, which is still minus x. And we have x cubed minus 2x plus x. Then minus root 2 equals 0. So by grouping these together, we have x cubed minus 2x in bracket, then plus open bracket x minus root 2 equals 0. So after getting to this stage, looking at this first bracket, we can take out x. By factoring out x, here reduced to x squared minus this remain 2, then plus open bracket x minus root 2 equals 0. And then, so we are going to consider this. I want to write this x squared minus 2 in terms of something like this. And what to do is very simple. If I take out x squared minus 2, this is the same thing as writing x squared minus square root of 2, then raised to power 2. So this is the same thing as x squared minus 2. And why is this important at this point? When we consider this formula, difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b squared, this gives us a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And applying x squared minus root 2 squared with this, we are going to have x squared minus root 2 squared equals x minus root 2, which is one of what we have above, then multiply by x plus root 2. Then we try to take this thing back into the previous step, as we are going to have x bracket for x squared minus 2, we have one of it as x minus root 2 multiplied by x plus root 2, all this in a bracket, then plus x minus root 2 equals 0. So the next step is, looking at this is a whole bracket. Even we can simply take x as well inside this parenthesis. Then we have this as a separate bracket. This is x minus root 2, x minus root 2, which we factor out. If I factor out x minus root 2, then in the larger bracket, we have x multiplied by x plus root 2, then plus 1 equals 0. And in the next step, we have, so we are going to let x minus root 2 equals to 0. So we obtain the first solution to x. Transferring this root 2 to other side, we have x equals root 2. This is the first solution here, and this is a real solution. And to confirm if the first one is equal, let's recall from x squared, x cubed minus x equals root 2. If I plug in this, is it going to be equal or not? That is the main question now. So we want to show that this equals root 2. Let's plug this thing here. For here we have root 2 power of 3 minus root 2 equals root 2. So we have this as root 2 raised to power 3. If I factor out one of these, suppose I factor out root 2, so in the bracket we are going to have root 2 squared minus 1 equals root 2. And if this cancels this, we have root 2 into bracket of 2 minus 1, that is 1, equals root 2. This shows that root 2 equals root 2, and the first valid solution here is root 2. Let's solve the second part of this bracket. We have x bracket, x plus root 2 plus 1 equals 0. First is we are going to expand this. When we expand this, we have x squared plus root 2x plus 1 equals 0. We don't want to guess. What we do here is very simple as, suppose I let this a to be equals to 1, coefficient of x squared. We have b equals root 2 and we have c equals 1. And by substituting all this in x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, a quadratic formula. We know our a, we know our b, and we know our c. So by substituting this, we have minus b is just like minus root 2 plus or minus the square root of, we have root 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by a and c is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. And next, we have minus root 2 plus or minus the square root of cancelled 2 minus 4 divided by 2. And next, we have minus root 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 minus 4 is minus 2 divided by 2. And with this, square root of minus 2 is a complex number. Then we have minus root 2 plus or minus, so let's say root 2i divided by 2. This is another version of x. So we have minus 2 plus or minus root 2i over 2, another two solutions which are complex. This is how I solve this problem step by step. How do you solve your own? Let's drop the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.